Philippines Davao. Sir, you said a while ago na after nung incident is you conducted parang reorientation sa ating mga boat owners po at saka mga ship owners po. Right now po sir, after this incident, ano po yung in-emphasize niyo during that reorientation?
Bottom line no, para huwag na umaba, bumiyahe doon sa kung saan lang kayo dapat bumiyahe. You are covered with a franchise, ang CPC ang tawag na, Certificate of Public Convenience. So parang sa jeepney po, if you are authorized within that particular route, malaking risk na lalabas ka sa ruta. So that is one of the topics that was discussed during the awareness session.
Sir, can you enlighten us on bakit ganun po yung what happened ba during that time when that incident happened?
The motor bunker, Amihara, has a valid CPC from Davao City to Igapos, 3 points sa Igapos. So actually, the routes are medyo mahaba, but Santa Ana Wharf, Davao City to Coral Garden, particularly different areas in Igapos, basta within Igapos. Tatlo pong destinations yun, but to simplify it, it's Davao City to Igapos.
So Igapos, 3 points po sir. So meaning sir, if there are other areas in Igapos na pinuntahan na hindi naka-specify doon sa ano, will it be considered as outside line sa jeep pa?
That is, I think, lalabas during the investigation, and I don't want to preempt any such information.
So, aside from that, sir, kasi yun nga, earlier, Dr. Soya told the media na yun nga, kailangan nila magpapirma from the Coast Guard with regards to their travel. Sa Marina pa na, is it really, tawag nito, requirement before they sail?
Before sailing po, wala na. What we issue is the Certificate of Public Convenience, CPC. Normally it's valid for 2 years. And then if they wanted to travel outside the authorized route, they can, subject to our evaluation, but they will be issued special permit.
But,
in this case, there was no application received by the office.
What I mean sir, it's because parang yung sinabi na yung parang sa manifesto na chinek ng Coast Guard during that time, and then it was not signed. Tapos yun pa rin, they still say to other area outside of their parang franchise.
Hindi ko po siya masasagot, no? Kasi hindi ko po alam yung detalye, but siguro parang pangit naman ako ang sumagot para sa Coast Guard, no? Pag nag-clear siya, the captain will be submitting documents. If the Coast Guard have seen something na kulang doon, then they will advise.
Ano pala doon sir, according to MDST po?
MOST po is with Coast Guard, the Masters of Safe Departure.
So walang hold ang Marina sir sa paglakbay
Yes, yun.
ng mga boats.
They have to clear with Philippine Coast Guard po, yun po yung procedure, no? Authorized travels, they have to secure clearance from the Coast Guard.
So kung walang clearance, does that constitute a violation of their franchise?
Kailangan ko pa po ang sagutin.
Yes sir, we just want a soundbite po na.
Hindi, wala po siyang clearance, so paano po ang gagawin natin? Obviously, the clearing officer haven't seen the documents that need to be seen. No? Kasi ang pumuputok na kwento kasi, I don't know, sabi is GovGen ang punta. If GovGen ang punta niya, since ang kanyang CPC is Igapos, then dapat meron siyang SPM, or rather SP, Special Permit. And kung wala siyang special permit, definitely the Coast Guard in charge, sasabihin niya, sir, hindi ko kayo pwedeng bumiyahe. Kasi wala po kayong clearance.
So clarify natin yun sir, no? Walang hindi sila nakapay sa special permit for
The Marina hasn't received any application for SPM for GovGen for that particular day na magta-travel sila.
Hypothetical lang, sir. What will happen, sir, if lumabag siya sa kanilang CPC? What will happen? Is there any revocation of their franchise?
The owners will be required to, they will be issued show cause orders to explain why, and then also the master of the vessel, in that case the boat captain, will be required to answer. Will be issued the show cause order also.
That's for the tawag nito, yung penalty po.
May makukulong ba, sir, if in case na yung mga boats?
Sa case po ni Marina for ganito pong first offense po niya,
Suspension.
meron lang corresponding penalties po.
So since Marina din naman
Administrative, by the way, kay Marina, administrative sanctions lang ang namin. For the criminal, hindi ko sa amin.
Okay.
Sa maritime environment po, ang Marina po ang administration natin. Sila po ang nag-check ng compliances ng vessel, yung regarding sa CPC, sa ship safety, sa crew. Ang Coast Guard po is on the law enforcement, the regulation. Kung ano po ang mga batas o regulations na gustong ipa-implement ng Marina, tayo po, ang Coast Guard po ang nag-i-implement noon. Well, it's true na medyo maliit siguro lalo-lalo sa mga malaking companies kasi violations nga is only 50,000 pag umalis ka, leaving port without clearance sa Coast Guard. And then, pag leaving port without filing the MDSD, yung Master's Declaration of Safe Departure, kasi doon po sa MDSD, very importante po yung document because that includes the passenger manifest, the cargo manifest, and of course, the oath of the master or the oath of the captain na kung sino man po ang nakalagay na pangalan doon, yun po lang ang sakay niya. So the responsibility is not really sa Coast Guard. Doon po yun sa master to make sure na kung sino yung man nakapangalan doon, both crew and passengers, ay makatotohanan. Okay, responsibility po ng kumpanya, ng master, na ibigay yung tamang listahan, tamang pangalan, at tamang numbers during every voyage po. So yun po yung ang uniqueness ng Marina and Coast Guard. That is why Marina and Coast Guard is really working closely, both in coordination. Pag may mga problema, lagi kami tumatawag at humingi ng assistance sa Marina para ma-enlighten them. Lalong-lalo na yung ating mga enforcers sa mga regulations ng Marina na dapat ipatupad ng Coast Guard. So, Sir Vic, tapos yung pumunta, sir.
Okay. So liabilities, no? Parang gano'n. MPC Amihara is a CPC holder under a single proprietorship. So single proprietorship, ang may-ari po ay si Mr. Ace Ryan Cortez, who is unfortunately until now is missing. So gusto man namin siyang i-show cause, saan namin ipapadala? Last known address, syempre, yung kanyang office. But it is a public information that until now, he is one of the missing individual. No? So, ganun po. As to mababa yung fines and penalties, currently the fines and penalties of Marina is undergoing review. Actually, it was tabled for approval during the last board meeting na Marina Board conducted in Cebu. Unfortunately, mukhang may polishing pa rin gagawin. So, hindi pa rin siya, I think it was approved in principle but needs to be ayusin ng konti. Eventually, the same will be presented to the public for public orientation. No? But for now, yung pong ating existing medyo mababa na po yung penalties natin.
Siguro baka pwedeng taasan yan, sir, to 10 million for motor loads.
Madali hong sabihin, madali rin itaas. But during public consultation, meron din po naman kasing kumukontra dyan. No? It is not single-handedly decision ni Marina. But this circular ng fines and penalties na nakasalang po ngayon sa board, galangin po yung penalties. Sobra pa sa doble po. So, kaya medyo matagal po siyang lumusot, inabot ng ilang taon bago ko na-approve ng board. Although sabi ko nga pinapalis, may polishing pa rin ginagawa. Mataas na po siya.
So if hindi pa yung ma-implement, sir, under review pa siya, paano niyo ma-strictly enforce itong batas natin?
Sa amin po, as the good Commodore said, ang enforcement kasi ng aming mga circulars, sa kanila sila ang aming law enforcer. Kami kasi is nasa opisina, nag-i-issue ng dokumento nila. But the enforcement, whether they violate or not, mas nakikita ng Coast Guard. So, ganun po siya.
Okay. Curious lang kami, sir. Insured ba NBCA Pangihara? And how many passengers ang covered ng insurance?
MBCA Amihara has a valid insurance from Stronghold Insurance issued last December 9, 2025, valid until 9 December 2026 for 62 passengers and 4 crew.
Okay. Since you're investigating whether they committed criminal offense, since na-prove naman natin, walang permit from Marina, special permit, and walang permission from Coast Guard to depart, mabuvoid ba ang insurance?
That I cannot answer po sa ngayon, kasi actually there are other factors na i-consider. And that kung acceptable or not for the insurance is under the IC na po yung Insurance Commission. And then po rin siya ng Stronghold sa kanilang rider or whatever they have. Yung agreement na pinirmahan ng kumpanya, no, with the Stronghold.